Vibrant roasted beetroot hummus recipe. Yield, approx. 1.5 cups. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cook time, 40 minutes. Total time, 50 minutes. Ingredients, hummus. 2 medium beetroots, peeled. 1.5 cups, 400 grams cooked chickpeas. 1/4 cup, 62 milliliters, water. 1 lemon, juiced. 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, tahini, sesame seed paste. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, olive oil. 2 cloves garlic. Half a teaspoon salt. Ingredients, optional garnish: avocado, lemon slices, regular or black sesame seeds, sprouts, drizzle of olive oil. Directions: 1. Cut beets into 1/2 inch slices and lay on a parchment-covered baking sheet. Roast in the oven at 200°C, 400°F, for 40 to 45 minutes, until fork tender. Set aside to cool. 2. Add all ingredients to a food processor and blend until preferred consistency. Scrap down the sides as needed. If you'd like the consistency to be creamier, add 1 to 2 tablespoons more tahini. If you'd like more zest, add more lemon juice. 3. Plate, sprinkle on garnish, serve and enjoy. Notes: 1. If cooking from dry beans, this is about 3/4 cup, 150 grams, dry beans. If using canned chickpeas, this is the amount in a 400 grams can. 2. Variations: add spices as desired, such as basil or cumin, while blending to vary flavors. Get creative with this one. 3. Speed it up: using canned chickpeas speeds up the process. Roast the beets ahead of time, store them in the fridge and toss them into the blender when you want to whip up a batch of this hummus. 4. Storage: store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. 5. If using canned chickpeas, be sure to rinse first. Canned chickpeas are high in salt, so taste test and add the salt at the end in the amount desired. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For more informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.